In today's fast-paced digital landscape, compelling visuals are essential for entrepreneurs looking to stand out. Mobile photo editing has become a powerful tool, allowing business owners to create polished, professional images right from their smartphones. The right editing apps can transform ordinary photos into eye-catching content that enhances your brand's identity. By streamlining the editing process, these tools make it easier than ever to maintain a consistent and engaging visual presence across social media and marketing platforms. Mobile photo editing apps have become indispensable tools for business owners seeking to enhance their visual content. Lightroom Mobile offers advanced editing features and seamless cloud integration, making it ideal for professionals on the go. Snapseed stands out for its user-friendly interface and powerful adjustment tools, allowing quick yet precise edits. VSCO is popular for its stylish filters and creative controls, helping brands maintain a consistent aesthetic. Photoshop Express combines essential editing functions with intuitive design, enabling efficient touch-ups and high-quality results. Together, these apps empower businesses to produce polished images that capture attention and elevate their brand presence. Lightroom Mobile offers a suite of advanced editing tools that empower users to fine-tune every detail of their photos, from exposure adjustments to precise color grading. The app's extensive library of presets makes it easy to maintain a consistent visual style, which is especially valuable for entrepreneurs aiming to reinforce their brand identity. With seamless cloud integration, edits and images automatically sync across devices, ensuring that work can continue uninterrupted, whether in the office or on the move. This combination of powerful features and mobility makes Lightroom Mobile a practical choice for professionals who value both quality and efficiency. Snapseed offers a range of professional-grade tools that empower users to enhance their photos with precision. Features like perspective correction allow you to fix skewed angles, making images appear more balanced and natural. Selective adjustments enable targeted edits, so you can fine-tune specific areas without affecting the whole picture. Despite its advanced capabilities, Snapseed's intuitive interface ensures that both beginners and experienced editors can navigate the app with ease. This thoughtful design makes high-quality photo editing accessible to everyone, regardless of their skill level. VSCO is renowned for its film-inspired filters, which allow users to evoke a sense of nostalgia and artistry in their photos. The app's robust editing tools make it easy to create a consistent visual style, an essential element for entrepreneurs looking to establish a memorable brand identity. Beyond its editing features, VSCO fosters a vibrant creative community where users can share their work and draw inspiration from others. This collaborative environment encourages experimentation and growth, helping brands refine their visual storytelling. By leveraging both its tools and community, entrepreneurs can craft a cohesive and distinctive presence that resonates with their audience. Photoshop Express stands out for its remarkable speed and user-friendly interface, making photo editing both quick and effortless. With a streamlined set of essential tools, users can easily perform touch-ups, adjust lighting, and enhance colors in just a few taps. The app is designed to simplify the editing process, ensuring that even beginners can prepare their images for sharing online without hassle. Whether cropping, straightening, or applying filters, Photoshop Express delivers efficient results in moments, perfect for those on the go. Integrating photo editing apps into your workflow can greatly enhance your creative process. Start by exploring the unique features each app offers and experiment with different combinations to see which tools best align with your brand's visual identity. It's helpful to test out various editing styles and presets to discover what resonates with your audience. Don't hesitate to mix and match apps for tasks like retouching, color grading, and adding effects. Over time, you'll develop a streamlined workflow that supports both efficiency and creativity. Mastering mobile editing apps gives entrepreneurs the tools they need to craft eye-catching visuals with ease. By harnessing these powerful platforms, business owners can elevate their brand presence and communicate their message more effectively. The ability to produce professional quality content directly from a smartphone allows for greater flexibility and creativity. In today's competitive digital marketplace, these skills can make all the difference in capturing attention and setting a business apart from the rest.